to a tutorial on a new HiveOS worker creation. As a volunteer at the HiveOS Discord server, I've seen a lot of people complain about the new process and how it seems to be more complicated than before. However, in truth, this is even simpler for people to use, and the menu walks you through everything you need to do. Regardless, let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to click this box with the plus in it and click Add Worker. From here, a menu is brought up asking if we have ASICs or if we are creating a rig. I will be focusing on the rig portion of this for now. After clicking Add Rig, we are brought to another menu where it is asking if we are installing new or if we're connecting to an existing HiveOS installation. You have multiple options here. You can either use the HiveOS installer to flash your USB drive or hard drive, or you can use a program such as Balena Etcher or Rufus to flash it manually. I will not be going over how to flash using either of the aforementioned programs, but I will show you how to get to your rig conf. I will include links to both of these programs in the description. If you are using the HiveOS installer, it's super easy. All you have to do is select the disk image to download. There's many options here. I highly recommend using the stable. From here, you're going to select Continue. You're going to enter your farm hash. So, if we're already here, connect to existing. Settings. And then you'll want to make sure that this farm hash right here is the same as your installation. And then you're going to click Continue, and you're going to select your target drive to rate. I've already done this, so it's already been set up. Once you've used the installer, your drive should be renamed to Hive. If you cannot see or access the Hive drive, go to Disk Management, and then assign it a letter. It should look something like this. There should be multiple partitions. You should have hide, you should have unallocated, and you should have a healthy primary partition. The next thing you're going to want to do is you want to come here to vncpassword.txt file, and by default the VNC password is 1. You're going to want to change this because this is one of the easiest ways for your rig to become compromised. HiveOS is not responsible for the security of your rig, only you are. Like with routers and other modem and other internet providing technologies, they have a default password and you are expected to change the password upon you gaining it, regardless. Next, you're going to want to plug this drive, into your rig and then turn it on. If nothing comes up and you're just taken to the default HiveOS launch, follow the instructions on the dashboard by running the first run command. This right here. On your rig, enter the command first run -F. You're going to want to type your rig ID and your password, which is available right here in front of you. And then you're going to want to choose yes or no to set rig password as system. In my opinion, you should do yes because this is an auto-generated password. However, you can set this to something easier to type or to remember. Then you should be good to go. Happy mining. As always, if you have any more questions, feel free to join our Discord server. I'm relatively active, but there are many other people who are answering questions as volunteers, and we spend a lot of time making it a friendly and supportive community.